All right, guys, welcome to activity time. Today is Monday, April 6th. So today what we're going to be learning about is the different things that a plant needs to grow, okay? So if you remember at circle time, okay, a plant needs food, okay, which it's going to get from dirt, okay, and the nutrients in dirt. So we have our dirt here on our page that we're going to be coloring in a little bit. Okay, so it needs food, okay? The other thing it needs is air, okay, or maybe wind by that is what that is. Okay, so air, okay, so it breathes in, or if you remember, carbon dioxide, and breathes out oxygen, which is the opposite of what we need to be able to stay alive. Okay, another thing that a plant needs is water, okay, so it might come from rain, like our picture right here has, okay, so it's going to end up using the water and the dirt and the different stuff, and it's going to use the other thing it needs, which is sunlight, okay, or different light, okay, to be able to turn all the different stuff, the air, the water, and the dirt stuff into its food, okay? So when it does that, it's called photosynthesis, guys, okay? So that's what that is. It's basically when it takes all the air, water, and dirt and turns it into the food that it needs to be able to grow. Okay, so for our first activity today, we have a picture of a plant, okay? So if we see it, we have the roots, we have the stem, and we have the leaves, and if you get super creative, you can draw the flower on top. Okay, we also have the picture of a sun, okay, of rain or water that it needs to grow, and the wind or the air that a plant needs to grow, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna color our different stuff, so I might color my roots brown, because that looks good to Mr. Matt. Okay, I'll color all my roots. Maybe I'll color the stem green because that's what color Mr. Matt wants his to be. Okay, and then maybe I'll do like the raindrops here, blue. Okay, and maybe I want to color my sun orange because it's a nice hot sun. Okay, when you get done all coloring, okay, then you'll take your different stuff and you'll glue it onto your paper. So like it needs air to grow, so I'll glue on my air. Somewhere on my page, maybe I'll draw it blowing across right there. Okay, it needs water, or maybe it gets that water from rain if it's not an inside plant. Okay, and then you have your sun or the light that it needs to be able to grow. Okay, and then we also have our dirt. Maybe Mr. Mel will kind of go dirt, 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 dirt. Okay, so now we see that a plant needs food, water, air, and sun to grow. Thanks for doing that activity with me, guys.
So today for the other activity that we're going to do today is we're going to be doing the ABC order dot to dot, okay? So first, we always want to put our name on. So let me write my name. Miss Ari. Okay, now we're going to start with the letter A. It's going to be right here, and you're just going to keep following the alphabet. Go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Look, it has a pretty flower. That's what you have to do for that one.
All right, guys, our next activity is we're going to be learning about shapes, okay? So if you look at my table, okay, we have some rectangles. Like this one's a little bit fatter. This one's super skinny and long. Okay, we also have some squares, a couple triangles, and some circles. Now we're going to be using these different shapes to be able to make flowers in different ways. So you guys get to be really, really creative here and make different types of flowers however you want to. Okay, so Mr. Matt might take this one because it looks like a good stem. Okay, maybe I'll toss on a couple leaves onto my stem. Okay, maybe one of these squares because it's going to be, maybe my flower is in a pot. Okay, so we've got a pot for it to grow in. Okay, maybe I throw in a square here and I kind of put some different stuff around it. Okay, and maybe, I don't know, something like that. Different flower, maybe I could do it a completely different way, guys. Maybe I say that it's a longer one. Ooh, that would be kind of crazy. Okay, and I do that for a leaf, and then I do some other stuff, and and make another pretty flower that way. Okay, but you can see you can do your flower lots of different ways. Okay, so you have lots of different ways to make them with the different shapes that we have. Okay, our other activity that we're going to be doing for today is observations. Okay, so if you want to go check out our other video on observations, that'll kind of talk you through what we're going to do for your other activity today, which is going to be observing different stuff. Okay, so thank you for coming to do activities with us today, guys.